Today is November 5th, which means in the US, that is the presidential election day. US media is everywhere, so you probably already knew that. But some things you might not know and you might find interesting, I'll talk about here. I have 4 things that I talk about a lot with students. Number 1, most people I know have actually already voted. There's a big early voting system. So yes, today is the day, but a ton of people already have voted. Number 2, unlike in Costa Rica, it's not as accessible for everybody because it's not on a Sunday. It's in the middle of people's life, people's work, and you don't necessarily get work off to go vote. So that can be controversial, a topic for a different video. Number 3, since this is like a very stressful election, we're probably not going to know by tonight, maybe not even by tomorrow, who the actual president is going to be, because there's going to be recounts. There's going to be a lot that goes into that. Number 4, and it would depend on the gringo who you ask about this one, but for me, every presidential election year, I am shocked when people not from the US ask me, who are you voting for? I'm just like, ugh. I don't know, maybe that's where I'm from, maybe that's just me, but I feel like it's a taboo question. People don't really ask, who are you voting for? This year, since it is such a huge election and so controversial, for the most part, people already know because it has come up or it's kind of obvious. So I will tell people who I'm voting for this year, but it still shocks me. Like, so you know, I won't even ask my dad who he's voting for. I asked my mom who he voted for because it's taboo. I don't know.